How to set profile picture in Fire Kirin. First of all, open the Fire Kirin game and log into your account. Once you are on the main screen, tap on your profile icon or avatar, usually located at the top left corner of the screen. Now inside the profile section, you will see your current avatar or a blank profile picture if you haven't set on it. Tap on it and you will be presented with a list of available profile pictures or avatars to choose from. These are usually built-in character icons or themed avatars provided by Fire Kirin. Select the one you like and confirm your choice. Some versions may require you to save the changes manually, so make sure to tap a save or confirm button if it appears. Once you have set it, your new profile picture will be updated and visible on your account. Now you know how to set profile picture in Fire Kirin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.